Hi, this is Asma from Crafts and Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make ghee using butter. The first step is to turn your stovetop onto medium heat and put your butter into the pan. Here I'm using unsalted butter because salted butter is a little bit harder to use as the salt interferes with the making of the ghee. Once you add all your butter into the pan, allow it to melt. When your butter melts, you're gonna notice that it will start to bubble and you can actually hear the sound of it bubbling. At that point, turn your stove top from medium to the lowest setting possible because you do not want to burn your ghee. When your ghee is done, you're gonna notice that it is going to stop bubbling, and that's when you can turn your stove top off. The white scum is the milk fat solids. Once the ghee is done, strain it using a cheesecloth. And you want it to have a nutty smell. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to check the description box for more information and hit the bell icon.